Muraibwense ya Kenya William Ruto ni gobono haburire ebitabo byonsi byoburendi anemone sector ya banyanyimbo kwenekya KOBEKA bare OMOKIA kobaigorera amamoncho na Babekwe Biara bonsi bari Abagosegeta na bari bagosira Obobegu n'obusagani AIGA Kenya ebikore byabere bikomentekana samatuko abwango AIGA Muraibwense ni gari kwa chinkwane Tiga hase skuli ya maigerio ya banyanyimbo ya Kiganjo asaene kyeboigo okuigoro uniform chinye echa banyanyimbo barachie utumeka samatukari bosi.
Contrary to the propaganda out there, the uniform is not an exchange of the uniform that the officers are wearing now and throw away the uniform they are wearing. This exchange will continue as you change your uniform normally, you now wear the new uniform.
Officers expressed legitimate concerns about the current uniform, including its quality, suitability, and effect on professional identity. The graduating officers will be the first to wear the new uniform. It will then be progressively rolled out to general duty officers throughout the country, effective next week. The Administration Police Service and the General Service Unit will retain their present operational uniforms. We appreciate that a uniform does not necessarily create professionalism, character, discipline, training, and conduct do.
The training curriculum that we used this time round has been improved to capture the challenges that are faced by modern police officers who are operating not just physically in various parts of our country, but combating also digital challenges.
Politically sponsored violence has no place in our democracy. The National Police Service and all our security agencies should therefore take firm, lawful, and impartial action against anyone who finances, organizes, incites, or perpetrates political violence. Do not arrest only the young people holding a weapon while allowing the person who recruited, transported, and paid them to escape responsibility. No politician is entitled to a private militia. No candidate has the right to intimidate citizens. No political objective can justify violence.